Good day, everyone. Today, I will teach you how to write a conceptual framework. What is conceptual framework? Conceptual framework is a written visual presentation of an expected relationship between variables. It is a diagram representing the variables. How to write conceptual framework? Number 1, choose a topic. For instance, my topic is video lesson and instructional material to increase students' test scores in Research 4 of Grade 10 STE class. Number 2, make your research question. So based on my problem or title, I can make now a research question. If I provide a video lesson to students, will this instructional material increase students' test scores? Number 3, conduct a review of the literature. So I review different published articles or literature reviews about video as an instructional material in teaching. Number 4, choose your variables. Number 1, so my dependent variable is test scores, and my independent variable is video lesson. Number 5, choose your relationships. So it will be now a cause and effect relationship. So the expected cause, video lesson, is the independent variable. And the expected effect, test scores, is the dependent variable. So video lesson increases students' test scores. Number 6, create now the conceptual framework. So in this sample conceptual framework, so video lesson increases students' test scores. You can also add a moderator variable. A moderator variable alters the effect that an independent variable has on a dependent variable. For instance, in this conceptual framework, the IQ moderator moderates the effect of video lesson on test scores. The higher your IQ, the fewer numbers of video lesson you must watch to increase your test scores. You can also add a mediating variable. Mediating variable is a variable that links the independent and dependent variables, allowing the relationship between them to be better explained. For instance, in this conceptual framework, we can say that video lesson increases students' test scores depending on the learning pedagogy used. We can also add a control variable. Control variables are variables that are held constant. Example of control variable is time. If you have two sets of respondents, one group of controlled and the other group is experimental. So you will administer the test to both groups for a period of 5 minutes for a 5-item test. Here is another example of conceptual framework. The study is entitled Learning Pedagogies in Teaching Science, Input for a Faculty Development Plan. So this conceptual framework shows that teachers, students, and schools affect academic performance. Teachers' choice of pedagogies in teaching the students affect academic performance. Likewise, teachers' rating of the schools regarding their pedagogical usage affect academic performance. Moreover, the grades of the students affect the school's performance and result on the analysis of the relationships and differences between and among these variables lead to a proposal of a faculty development plan.